At number 7, Shivana Laput. Player number 11, Shane Reterta. Player number 13, Juliana Tolentino. At number 15, Amy Provido. And at number 22, Katrina Del Castillo. The libero, player number 5, Laika De Leon. Our head coach, Mr. Ramil De Jesus. And now it's time to meet our starters for the LPU Lady Pirates. Starting with player number 10, number 6, Janelle Tula. Player number 12, John Toguna. At number 15, Jonah Denise Dolorito. And player number 16, Hiromi Osada. And at number 19, Hart Bio. And libero, player number 2, Angelica Blue Guzman. Head coach, Mr. Cromwell Garcia. This is match number 2 of the Cagayan Women's Invitational Volleyball Tournament. Of course, brought to us by the City Mayor's Office of Davao, the Royal Mandaya Hotel, Mandayao Sports Davao, and Volleyprep Event Services.
Challenge for LPU that they have to overcome against LaSalle. Duguna on a good receive. Chance ball.
And that is
Ball is in for the Lady Pirates. Good receive. Tolentino sets things up. Lapot!
Over the blockers, Sir.
There's that size advantage mula sa LaSalle, Coach Coco. Proud favorite. Of course, she played for the national team.
Yeah.
Hindi ako nakakamali, Coach, Alas Pilipinas.
Alas Pilipinas, right, Sir.
There's the setup to Lapot.
Nice dig by LPU.
Chance! Oy, natamaan.
That is outside, hitting the antenna.
And a point for LaSalle. Reterta with the serve.
Very good floater serve.
Puzon.
Set up to Tulang. Easy
Tulang.
ball. Another chance.
And another setup to Casimino!
Still serving. Shane Reterta.
Set up. Tulang. Good defense by LaSalle. Tolentino.
Tolentino.
Canino! And that's a point for
Another point
Angel
for
Canino. Another medyo stretch na yung depensa ng LPU. Guzman.
Another chance ball.
Chance ball yan ng LPU. Tolentino sets things up.
Provido
That was a thing of beauty. Amy Provido.
In the first set.
And there's our replay. Hatid sa inyo ng Mandayao Sports Davao na nice drop shot for Amy Provido. Early domination the first set.
Another good floater serve for LaSalle.
Chance for LPU on the attack.
And top spin.
Kabawi.
Canino.
Nice
again.
dig
This time.
Guzman. Duguna! Oy! Went over the net. Ball's in play.
And that is the cross court.
Will serve here.
Another good serve.
But a good receive by LaSalle. Tolentino.
Canino! Cross court attack again.
She hits again.
Sharp serves for Laput. And good serve right there.
Good receive.
Set up. Nice.
Nice play.
Cross court attack.
Cross court attack indeed. Mula Lady Pirates.
Good floater serve for Lopez.
Tolentino, another setup. Canino!
There's just too much power for Canino, Sir.
Another powerful play for Angel Canino.
LPU couldn't defend her attacks.
I believe that almost the majority of her points mula kang Canino.
Yeah.
And she will serve for the... Maganda na yung mga receives na ginagawa ng LPU. Another setup!
And
that's the point. Mula kang Shane Reterta will serve for LPU Lady Pirates. Canino, good receive. Tolentino!
Running attack for Provido.
Provido! Emphatic hit. And Puzon will serve. Good receive by Canino. De Leon. Laput! Good dig. Bio drop shot! Nakabawi si Provido!
And good hustle.
And looks like one of the players of LaSalle. And she's sparked that early domination for LaSalle.
Lopez. Nice defense.
And here comes Tolentino to Canino!
Canino again.
And it's good. Set point.
And the service ace.
And that ends the first set. Stella sets. Good receive. Puzon. That was
Nice
blocked.
block.
LPU with another chance. Goes over to Lasal. Laput!
Nice dig.
And another chance for LPU.
And
Drop
short
shot.
hit.
Ball still live.
Chance for Lasal.
Canino sets it up.
Running hit.
Running hit.
That's short.
That won't
nice
work.
save for LPU.
Another
And
chance. Oh,
that is short.
well off for LPU.
There's a little rally there.
Oo.
Sir Ray.
Medyo mahaba yung rally doon.
Good serve.
Puzon.
Combination
On the setup.
play.
Oh!
And ball checked.
And that's a good attack mula sa mga pirata ng LPU. And this time around,
That's good offense there this time.
Sal's
Oh,
first set.
nice receive.
Tolentino
Another set up.
Laput! On a powerful attack.
Just
Tabawenyo Osada with a good serve. Good receive. Laput. Drop shot. Foiled by LPU. Another chance. Blocked. Nakabawi ang LPU.
Good defense for Lasal.
Another chance.
block.
Another block. Block ang Provido. Puzon. Another setup. Another block. That's the third block. LPU on the
And this
long
time,
attack.
Back row hit.
Oo.
To Canino.
Canino!
And that
With
was a
a
good
block.
block.
I think that's from Bio.
Bio with a good block.
And a great atmosphere ngayong gabi, Coach Coco.
Yeah. Dumadami na yung tao, Sir Ray.
Oo, halos puno na, no? Tolentino. Canino!
again. Baseline hit.
What a hit!
Strong hit again for Canino.
Oo.
Adjusting
Oo.
her timing.
Oo. Good receive. Puzon.
Another setup.
Blocked.
And this time, through the blockers.
But that's right through.
Yeah.
And that's a point for the LPU Lady Pirates courtesy of... that's a good jump serve. That's a powerful one, but a good receive. Puzon.
Set up again. Quick hit for
Del Castillo.
Castillo.
That was
Another
foiled.
counter attack
And
by
Bio.
Bio.
Quick attack yun, Coach
Yeah,
Coco.
mabilis ang counter.
That was nice.
Serves.
For Lasal. Here it is. That's a good serve for her.
Set up by Puzon.
And
Nice
that's-
set.
Oh, that's a good attack.
Good set there by Puzon.
Oo, balanse, kumbaga.
Yeah.
Quick Castillo!
attack. Castillo.
Spikes it down. 2-point lead for Lasal in the second spikers.
Good floater serve.
Puzon.
Set up again. And this time, nice dig. And chance for Lasal.
Oo.
Another good
Tolentino
setup.
sets it up.
Running attack by Provido.
Provido delivering the goods for
Yeah.
Lasal.
That's her favorite
Possibly,
play.
we'll see.
Yes, this good floater serve.
Canino.
And another free ball.
Ball bulak ang tulang this time.
And LPU takes the lead.
12-11 na.
LPU.
Especially from Janet Tulang. Another good serve.
Good serves from Puzon.
Tolentino.
Ball is still alive.
Oo.
Set up combination.
Oh, great
play.
combo.
Puzon has been setting well for taking the rally for LPU is their team captain Puzon.
And there's that replay hatid sa inyo ng Madiao Sports Davao.
Good serve.
Good recovery.
Set up to Osada.
And the Tabawenyo scores.
14-12.
At dalawang
Oh.
kalaman.
Another good serve for Reterta. Combination.
Oh, that's a
Quick
good combo.
attack for Tulang.
Another attack from Tulang. That's a spike.
Nice serve Tulang with a
Yo.
service.
That's a good serve
Another
indeed.
set up to
Canino.
Canino. Nice dig by Guzman.
Oo.
Counter
Makabawi.
attack. And
that's
that
good.
hit the
It
line.
hit right on the line.
Yeah.
Here's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Madiao Sports Davao on that attack.
Lasal. They're attacking the defense of Lasal.
Laput on the drop shot.
Another chance for LPU. Another good setup for
Toguna.
Puzon.
Bio.
One-man block by
Another
Laput.
block. Oh.
And that's a point for LPU.
Yes, sir. It's 4. The advantage for LPU.
LPU again. Jump serve.
That's
That's
another
a good
powerful
serve.
serve. For a good recovery for LPU.
Set
Toguna blocked.
And this time the defense. of
Great
the
recovery
LSU.
on defense. Here's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Madiao Sports Davao on that rejection against
Great.
LPU.
Good floater serve.
And a good recovery. Here comes Bio on the setup. There's a free ball.
The set up. Castillo to Reterta. Nice defense this time.
Puzon on the
up
other
to-
side. Bio!
Oh, getting the hole in the defense.
Oh, right through the defense.
Yeah,
Second set.
good serve.
Good
Nice
receive.
Set up.
Oh, that's a hit!
Full attack.
Jonah Denise Dolorito.
Dolorito this
And-
time. And service error.
And with that error, the
LPU.
LPU Lady Pirates take set 2.
Yan na, magiging exciting.
Set number 3.
Nice receive. Set up
Puzon.
by Puzon.
Dolorito blocked. Pero nakabawi ang LPU.
Back row attack or 2 lang.
Tolentino, another chance to Lapot. Here comes Puzon.
Takes a lot of strength for setters to set up from the opposite side.
Lapot on the attack.
Gets the point. 2-1. Nice
Dolorito
serve by
with a good
Dolorito.
receive.
Another good set there for Puzon.
Doguna, long shot. Able to recover for Lasal. Canino
Oh,
on a good hit.
Over the
That's
blocker.
a spike. 4-2 na ang talaan in favor of the De La Salle Green Spikers. Wala sa crowd here in the USEP Gymnasium. A great serve. But a good recovery for Lasal. Canino.
set up to
Bio.
Bio. Nice dig by Tolentino.
Another chance for
Set up for
Lasal to Lapot.
Nice defense by Osada.
Another chance for LPU. Doguna block.
Nice coverage from Osada again. Back row hit.
And back row hit.
And
Would not work.
good rally here for both teams.
Lapot
Nice.
again.
Read by Puzon.
Canino.
Another good dig. But
Bio and that's a point.
net touch violation.
Oh, violation again.
Pirates. This time, easy serve.
Tolentino.
Set up to Reterta.
Reterta.
Nice drop shot. Hitting it through Puzon.
Ian Cortez, their left-handed player, will serve. Guzman able to...
Drop
oh,
shot by
nice
Puzon.
drop shot.
Nice
Nakabawi ang
dive
De La
for
Salle.
De La Salle.
Reterta.
Nice dig.
Doguna with a good dig.
Nice
Rio.
defense again by Canino.
Another chance.
And
And that's a point.
ball check.
Mm.
Point for LPU.
Bio with a good serve. Tolentino on the setup to Lapot on the back attack.
Nice hit this time by Lapot.
Tabla na naman at 9. And
That's
either
La
team
Salle
dominating over LPU.
Nice serve.
Doguna, cross court. Tolentino, Lapot.
Again, nice dig this time. And that is
And
outside.
that, yes indeed, it was out. Tolentino.
Good serve.
Good receive this time for LPU. Dolorito.
Dolorito. Nice dig by Canino. To
Reterta.
That is already inside.
Serve.
Good serve.
Tulang,
Quick
what, that
attack
was
by
blocked.
Tulang. Nice block.
And I believe that was Cortez. With like great service aces na binibigay ng Lasal.
A variety of serves din for Provido.
Doguna.
Laguna this time getting the point.
Round for LPU. Here comes Tolentino. On the setup to
Canino.
Canino.
Cross court hit
That was a great spike.
again from Canino.
The Alas attack. So
The
Tulang trying to rally her troops to sa ating third set.
Another misreceive. Another chance for LPU. To
Bio. But a good recovery for Lasal.
And back row
Lapot
for Lapot.
breaks
But
through the defense.
hard attack there for Lapot.
5 na ang festivities ahead for Kadayawan diri sa Davao.
Now back to the ball game.
Doguna, that was
Doguna
blocked.
attack.
Another chance for LPU. Down by 6. That was
Yeah,
Dolorito.
That's a good hit.
Great hit indeed, Coach Coco.
That stops the momentum for DLSU.
Great
25th.
contributor for LPU.
Good floater serve.
Reyes sets it up. Reterta!
And court hit this time by Reterta.
Seeing the crack of the defense. Ryan will
Well-
serve for the Lady Spikers, the left-hander.
Good floater serve.
And it's an ace!
But it hit the line.
And just like that, Coach Coco, the De La
DLSU.
Salle Lady Spikers take set number 3. If the LPU wins this fourth set. Here we go. Canino!
Cross court hit by Canino.
And that's a spike. First point.
There's the new setter for DLSU, Reyes.
That's right, number 20.
Another tall setter.
Good serve by Reyes. LPU on the attack.
Combination play. Nice save.
Nice take by De Leon.
Pancake save. Counter attack.
And that's a
Another good
rejection
block.
between Laput and Provido
That's a strong tandem there.
for the De La Salle Lady Spikers.
Good receive.
Who's
Set
on?
up
Nice
to
setup to Lopez.
This time hitting the blockers.
Oh. And I think that was a block touch.
Yeah, block touch. Block out. In shorts array.
Oh. Here comes
But
Puzon.
LPU
Tulang.
trying to fight back.
Reterta.
Reterta.
The cross court.
Lopez.
Oh, that was a
Tulang.
great rejection mula kang Del Castillo.
Bido now on deck. Another good floater serve. Bio.
On another block.
One-on-one block by Del Castillo.
Second straight block mula kang Katrina Del Castillo. Kalamangan ng Lasal. Puzon on the other side. Oh, that's a good recovery from Del Castillo once again.
Back row hit.
Dolorito. Canino with a good dig.
The setup.
Reterta. Free ball. Puzon. To Lopez. Blocked by
Another
Laput.
good one-on-one block by Laput.
That's 3 blocks for Lasal in this fourth set. Janet Tulang will serve.
Over received by
Oh.
De Leon.
It went over the net. Puzon. Sa cross court. Del Castillo drop shot. Won't work. Bio!
And counter hit.
That's a great
That's
spike.
inside.
Oo. LPU will try to force a fifth and deciding set.
Laput
Laput
again.
blocked
Nice
by
block by
Bio.
Bio. Laput again.
Laput again.
Pinabawi yun, sir.
Wow! For the Lady Spikers, there's that long serve. Here, LPU, good receive. Cross court.
Nice defense for Lasal.
To Reterta.
Nice dig. Another setup by Puzon.
Oh, that was blocked.
Nice
Pero
recovery
nakabawi
there by
ng
Guzman.
LPU and
again.
Pio.
Another power
Once
trip.
again.
Malayo pa yan.
Oh, so Venice Puzon will
Another good
serve.
serve by Puzon.
Good dig though by Lasal.
Nice
Canino!
set. Canino again.
Another attack.
Hitting it. Good floater serve. Nice receive.
Puzon.
One hand set.
Oh, that was blocked. Another chance for LPU.
Set up. Tutulang.
Another chance.
Laput. Powerful hit.
Powerful
and that
hit.
is down the line.
Yes, sir.
16-8.
And Shevana Laput delivers once again for the Lasal LPU Lady Pirates. Canino able to receive. Reterta blocked.
Nice block.
What a chance for Lasal. Laput.
Laput. Again over the blockers. Hitting the line.
That was a long shot. Right through. Galiedo. Bio. That was rejected by Del Castillo. Another chance. Muchilias.
Nice attack there.
Goes
by
through.
Muchilias.
Yes.
Also a lefty.
Oh. Still
Able to
down
go.
by 6.
Still a huge 6-point lead there for Lasal.
Oo.
Set up to Canino.
Drop
Drop
shot.
shot. Nice read by
LPU.
LPU.
Another chance. Pero good
Set
receive.
up.
Canino!
Hitting
Another
it.
spike once again. The last
Down
attack.
the line.
That's right.
Serve by Puzon. Short serve.
That's a good dig.
Nice serve there.
Another chance. Free ball tayo. Puzon set up.
Running attack.
Tulang, that was
But
rejected.
Canino read that play.
Oh, that's Canino and Provido with a great defensive. Playing her first action in the fourth set.
Good serve for Arena.
Puzon on the setup.
Up.
Oh, nakabawi na
Go,
dito ang Lasal.
Canino.
Canino. Good
Nice
recovery.
Defense for LPU.
Oh, another rejection.
And that is not over.
Ball is not.
Outside.
Oh, it's not yet over.
Nice serve by Escandor.
Here's a chance for
Cross court
LPU.
hit. Nice save. Set up for Canino.
Drop shot.
Nice defense.
Good dig by
Set
LPU.
up. Nice block.
Pero nakabawi ang LPU.
Nice run by Puzon.
Free
And
ball.
That's good. Set up again to
Canino!
And she wins it for the DLSU Lady Spikers.
And Angel Calino delivering the winning play for the De La Salle Lady Spikers as they win the match 3-1. Ano masasabi mo dito, Coach Coco?
Again, this is a great day for Davao Venos. Both exciting games. Of course, the first game, Letran winning it. And this time, DLSU Lady Spikers winning the second game.
Oo.